Some don't sound right in that thing. Yeah, needs a bearing. Yeah, my brakes went bad on me, real bad. Got my money's worth. I'm gonna get these pads out in just a little bit and let you see it. This is actually my tow rig, maybe one day. Old Tahoe 2004. Just put these airlift airbags in the back of it. I recommend them things. They are cool. Supposedly 1,000-pound capacity increase. They go inside the coil. You ain't got to take nothing apart. It's a neat process. Don't take too long to put in. It's not too hard. And I got some new shocks to go all the way around, some new brakes to go all the way around. It's gonna be a nice riding little vehicle, and yeah, and a wheel bearing. So those are the brakes. Hawk was the name brand on it. Yeah, fronts and rears, and nice new ceramic, I believe, pads, partially ceramic. Went with the KYB shocks. I've never had any before, so I can't really. I just went with those because they were a good buy. And yeah, so we're gonna get all that put in and get back up with you and let you see if that thing will pick up a skid steer on a trailer. You know, get it off the bump stops in the back. So stick around. It's better. Got a new bearing in. Got the speed sensor, I guess, ABS sensor routed. Got new shock in. The new shock, I'm kind of disappointed. It's probably a 1/4 inch shorter than the shock that I took out, and quite a bit less hefty. So KYB cheap shocks, that's what they are, you know. But that's the rears. The one I took out, in comparison, is very stiff and had much nicer. The one that I took out was juicy. Looks like maybe Chevrolet. Yeah, probably not aftermarket. Yeah, but these rubbers right here are so nice, they might go on the white truck. So, might have gained something out of the deal. Yeah, now I got to do the same thing to the other side. So, those new brake pads are going to be sweet. It's going to stop good. Nice and smooth. Yeah, the bearing sounds so much better. It doesn't have a tick in it. But I'll be back. So we have a break in the video of fixing up the Tahoe. I have taken the doors off the white truck, folks. It is fun as a mess. I see why the Jeep people love it so much. I can see, man, I can see. I also took the tonneau cover off so you can see the road in the back. And yeah, it's fun to drive, I'm telling you. It's really cool how you can get up to like 60 mile an hour or so. Yeah, at 60, it doesn't even blow the hat off your head. Alright folks, so I'm just getting a little more of this. This is just, it's the most beautiful ride ever. You can see the world. I mean, truck, no door. Gotta love it. I mean, really, look at that. So cool. It don't even blow your hat off. I mean, it's like, yeah, I mean, we're up to like 55. It don't even blow the hat off your head. You're gonna have to see this, folks. Too much fun. When the weather's perfect, it's gonna be doors off. I can feel it. I'm gonna make these mirrors a little more appropriate so that they feel more natural. And it's on. Alright, y'all. Alright, so I'm back. And the Tahoe worked out beautiful, folks. The airbags are like no other. I hooked up to the enclosed trailer that I'm gonna be pulling for work now, and it don't squat at all. Used to, it went straight to the bump stops and I couldn't even pull it. So, well, I couldn't stop it and I couldn't like handle it well. I could get it down the road, but it was just ugly. And these new brakes, man, they make a world of difference. Drilled and slotted. I believe it was Hart brand brakes. Hart Racing, maybe something like that. But yeah, the airbags are the bee's knees. See if I can get a good view of it here. Yeah, there's one. Set up. It's so easy to put in. Air lift, like $100 and some change on Amazon. So yeah, that completes that. Now,
tell me, why do I still feel so alone? Don't tell me I'm wrong. Been gone for too long.